So in this little color mixing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mix pink acrylic paint, and we are going to look at some different pinks you can mix with acrylic paint, and also at why your pinks might not turn out as bright as you would like them to be. All right, let's start with having a look at the reds I chose for our mixes today. Here we are having a cadmium red, this is a process magenta, and this is Alizarin Crimson, and some titanium white, which is very important for our mixes. And what you can see here is two little paintings I brought for inspiration. Here we have some pinks in, also some light pink, and I love the combination of pink and turquoise green colors. Here we have this little stripe of pink, and I think this is very beautiful. And I just like having these little inspirations next to me when I mix colors, to know where this might lead towards at some point in my paintings. All right, we're going to start with our Alizarin Crimson. Let's take a bit of it here. Beautiful red. So, and then we are mixing in some white. Let's do that. And already you can see it turns into a beautiful pink color. Now let's make it even a bit lighter by adding a bit more of the white. And even lighter. So here we can see now how the Alizarin Crimson Red is turning into pink and soft pink colors when we mix in more and more white. Now in contrast to that, I would like to show you how the Cadmium Red is mixing with white. So again, let's take some of our red. Let's put it here. Beautiful red. But already you can see in comparison to the Alizarin Crimson that this one is more leaning towards an orange or yellow. And this will actually affect how our pink color mix will turn out. So let's mix in some white. And can you see how this pink is completely different than the one we made with our Alizarin Crimson? Let's mix in a bit more of our white to make it even lighter and softer. Beautiful. And a bit more white. Oh, I love this very light pink we're getting here. Really love it. Look at that. Okay, completely different. And actually the problem why your pink doesn't turn out the way you want it to turn out is probably because the red you are using isn't the right one for your mix. If your red is leaning towards yellow, towards orange, then your pinks will turn out a little bit peachy or coral-like. And in order to mix pinks which are a bit cooler, like these, you simply need another red. And now let's look at how our magenta will mix with white. So let's quickly get some more white for our mix. So again, we start with our red. Beautiful magenta. Okay, let's see how it will mix with our white. This looks promising, doesn't it? A really fresh and vibrant pink. Okay, so more white to lighten it. and even a little bit more of white to get one of these really soft pink colors. Beautiful. So now the question is, which of the pinks you prefer? Please let me know in the comments. And if you're up for one more color mixing video, check out this next one.